unboxing, unboxing, unboxing video, unboxing, 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 unboxing video. Welcome to my unboxing video. Oh. Hi everybody, it's me, your favorite goddess, Stella Minaj. Welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been away for a hot minute. I just had some personal issues, some family issues I had to deal with. Let me apologize for that drunken rant that I did on New Year's. Like, I don't even know what the fuck I was thinking when I made that video. So, before we get into today's video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to be notified of upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Minasan, daisuki yo. Now let's get right into the video. So today I have a very special unboxing video for you guys. I've got myself something very special in this box. So I ordered myself a Louis Vuitton belt. I needed a new belt, and we all know I love my luxury items. I've actually been saving up for this item, to be honest with you. Technically it's not the item I actually wanted from Louis Vuitton. If I was to get the item I actually wanted, it would have taken me a lot longer to save up for it. So I decided, you know what? Let's just bite the proverbial bullet and get the belt, because I knew I wanted the belt anyway. So the item I wanted prior to the belt was the Louis Vuitton Speedy 35. It's a very iconic bag. So she's something I've just had my eyes on and heart set on for a long time. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So I've already pre-opened the box. All I did was just remove the pull tab from the box here. So let's get right into it. So as soon as we open up the pull tab, we see this gorgeous little logo that says Louis Vuitton. I know it's backwards, but you know, what can you do? So in the box, you've got this envelope and you have the box, the item itself. So this is the Louis Vuitton envelope. I will read it to you guys. Read what's inside the envelope. So inside the envelope, we have 3 items. We've got the LV receipt that actually has Louis Vuitton on the back, and it says exclusively sold in Louis Vuitton stores and louisvuitton.com. Then we have this little piece of paper that just tells you how to return or exchange the item if need be, and the cardstock is really nice. And then you've got this Louis Vuitton letter from Louis Vuitton themselves. So this is what it says. Thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Your product has been crafted by experienced artisans with exclusive materials, then packed with the utmost care. Following strict sanitary guidelines, please prevent any contact with oil or alcohol-based substances such as cosmetics, perfume, and hand sanitizer or disinfectant. Find our complete care instructions on ca.louisvuitton.com/eng/ca/product/care. Sorry about that. So that's everything you get in the iconic Louis Vuitton envelope, which is like a really nice cardstock. And I love the embossing. Oh, so nice. Next, in the box, we have the actual item itself. It's got this gorgeous, iconic Louis Vuitton ribbon. So let's go ahead and pull the ribbon. Goes this way. Pull the ribbon. And then you have this Louis Vuitton cardstock thing, which is really cute. Let's go ahead and open her up and see if there's anything inside. So it's just an empty card holder, just to I guess to keep the shape, or in case you wanted a personal message or something inside on it. So that's neat. So we'll just slide her back in there like that. And now we'll continue with the unboxing. So I've got this beautiful Louis Vuitton ribbon, which if you're anything like me, you're gonna want to keep all your designer ribbons or whatnot. This would make a beautiful Louis Vuitton necklace if you had like a nice little choke, like a little pendant you want to wear as a choker or as a hair tie, because honey, this is a really nice ribbon. The Louis Vuitton on here is like embossed. It is really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna have to give this a flattening so that it stays nice and gorgeous for me. So yeah, we have that there. Now we have the actual Louis Vuitton box. So if I'm not mistaken, this is the LV monogram belt in the shade Eclipse. So I can't wait to get the item out. So we have this gorgeous blue pull tab here. So let's pull it out. ASMR. I know it's weird me smelling the box, but it has like a distinct scent. Maybe like a disinfectant or something. All right, so in the box we have the belt itself in this iconic Louis Vuitton dust bag. And of course the box is empty. So let's go ahead and open up this dust bag so we can see exactly what it is we got. So I'm gonna pull it out carefully. So here's the dust bag, which also has a distinct scent. So in the dust bag we have a Louis Vuitton card. I'll show you. My camera's not going to focus on it, but it says Louis Vuitton Millier Paris, coated fabric, cowhide, leather lining, and then it says on the other side, in French, textile en du doubleur, couleur de Vuchette. So here it is, the Louis Vuitton monogram Eclipse belt. Here's the Louis Vuitton tag. The Louis Vuitton tag. This is the 40 millimeter CELV reversible Eclipse 100 belt. The code is M940. Sorry. The code is M9043S. I am such a stupid idiot. And there it is there. So here's the belt. Let's unwrap it. Gorgeous. It is a double-sided belt. And here, as you can see, is the Louis Vuitton engraving with the code M9043. Says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain, so you know it's authentic. And yes, I did purchase this off the Louis Vuitton website, so it is authentic. And it's got this little piece to protect the buckle, so let's remove that. And that's the buckle. She's really nice. And that's the reverse side of the buckle. That's the belt bag, the belt loop. It's really nice, very slender. This is the reversible belt, so it can be worn either on the monogram side or the black leather side. To be honest with you, this LV belt, she's everything. I can't wait to style her. Okay, let's pop it out. Okay, we're just gonna pop out the belt buckle just so we can get a closer look. I'm definitely gonna have to give it a clean because I got some smudges on it, but oh my gosh, she is gorgeous. Put that on top of the dust bag so we can get a proper look at the actual belt. So here's the buckle hole, and there it is on the other side. So let's flip the belt over. And just quickly we did this wrong. There we go. And quickly change it over. So now we have this gorgeous LV belt on black. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more designer products videos, let me know in the description box, in the comments down below, and I will get back to you. I have two more videos planned for this week, one of which is a updated designer collection video, and the other is a Mulan inspired makeup look. So yeah, stay tuned for those. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Daisuki yo minasan!